Hello everyone, delighted to have your company here on 2K Sports for our PGA Tour action. We're at the Royal Championship. Today's coverage is about to start. Delighted to have your company for this final round action. I'm Luke Elvey, here alongside Rich Beam. And Rich, this next golfer starts their round. What do you think about their chances?
Never easy going to bed with the lead, and they're out here today. It's probably weighing on them a little bit. I got to say, though, this player has been playing well. That's why they have the lead. So they have to be excited, and they have to like their chances going into this final round.
I know, I can't wait. Let's get back down to the coverage. Around 110 yards to go. This looks to be heading to the green. That's well played, pin high. That's the mark of a ball striker. And just about 8 feet left to the hole. That was a gallant attempt. And with that, you can go and put a par on the card. Currently 8 under overall. Let's see what happens here on the second hole.
Eight days a week, that rhythm works.
Here's some action from just a short time ago. Looking forward to seeing what Tony Finau does here, Rich. Interested to take a look at this approach shot.
Good stuff.
Isn't this where they hit from yesterday?
Yes, and let's hope it's not as similar results as yesterday.
Opting for the 9-iron. Woo, back there, horsey. Left yourself an opportunity. Let's see if we can make this big putt for birdie. Wow, they certainly got out of the right side of bed today.
That sets a positive tone for the player, doesn't it?
Oh, I'd like to have one more look at that shot. Currently 9 under for the event.
The lead is getting bigger and bigger.
It's time to begin this par 4 hole. That looks to be a fairway finder to me. Second shot here on the third. Going with the 7. Oh, this would be handy if it could bounce right. Yep, that shot's safely on the green.
And this one for back-to-back birdies.
Let's head over to the 5th. Sitting at +1, just a couple of spots behind the leader. Take that. That's quality. And it goes in. Great shot.
Nothing like it. Good stuff.
"14 feet to the cup. It's tracking. Didn't quite hit it, did you?
Tell you what, watch out. This guy's going to be on full tilt here shortly.
He's currently sitting in first place. And I don't know if the rest of the field is up for catching them here today in this final round of action. Teeing off here at the 4th. Going with the 6-iron here. Oh, I like that strike. This one's heading well towards the green. Yeah, well played. Putting for birdie. Oh, what a shame. That would have been a nice one to hole. And they'll walk away with a par on this one. Let's take a look at the leaderboard as it stands. And maintaining top spot on the leaderboard after that. Here we are at the 5th hole. The tee is yours. Wow, that was just striped. Going with the 9-iron, I think. That's a pretty handy shot. Well, they've certainly got the swing and the groove.
The iron play today has been absolutely stellar. Luke, the greens and regulation, just a fantastic accomplishment. Great to watch.
Look at him just surging ahead at the top of the leaderboard.
That is definitely a confidence builder.
Well, it's time to head back down to the fairways. John, what's up, mate?
Well, we're on the 17th. Tony Finau is lining up his next shot.
And here we are with the 3rd shot. How close was that to going down? Great touch. Really nicely played.
Just eyeballing that one, trying to make it.
And after that hole, this is how the leaderboard looks right now. Here we are at the 6th hole. That's well played. Anything on the green from there was fine.
Outside chance of the birdie, but a 2-putt here is still good.
Remember, putting's a finesse game. This putt of about 7 feet to the hole. Yep, you'll take that. And still in top spot after that hole. Keep it going. And I don't give the rest of the field much hope today. Our leader is way out in front in this final round. Let's see what happens here on the 7th.
Pretty good shot there.
Seems to have chosen the 3-wood. It's heading to the rough for mine. Let's have a look at Patrick Cantlay. Playing their 5th shot. Ooh. Oh, what a ripper from long range.
Oh, gotta love it. Chipping in for birdie. Nothing better.
Getting ready to play their 3rd. This putt about 11 feet in distance. This one's online. Yeah, nice mid-range birdie putt, that one. So no change on the leaderboard for this player after that hole. And I don't know if the rest of the field is up for catching them here today in this final round of action. Just a couple to play here on the opening 9. Here's the tee shot at the 8th. Looks like they put a good swing on that one. That should find the short stuff. Elevated greens are always difficult to approach. Make sure you got the right number. Come on, get down. Yeah, not a bad effort, that one. Up onto the green and a chance to hole your putt.
Made birdie on the last. Looking for a 2nd in a row here.
Steps up to a putt of about 15 feet in distance. Oh, just missed the birdie. That's a shame. And in it goes. And after that performance, they'll stay right where they are in the standings. And I don't give the rest of the field much hope today. Our leader is way out in front in this final round. Opting for the 5-wood. That's right out of the copybooks. Exquisite. Not a bad line, this. Geez, making this look easy. Keeps surging ahead. John, you're down there. What's happening?
Down here on the 11th, guys. This is Billy Horschel's next one.
Now just 1 over par. Currently tied for 2nd. Oh, what a touch of class. Holds it from the sand. So with another hole behind us, let's take a look at the leaderboard. It's a lofty position this player has held all tournament, but what a buffer they've built with just 9 to play.
So impressive all week long. I gotta say, this player is on top of the golfing world at the moment.
You've arrived at a par 4. Oh, good drive. That one should find the fairway. Time to see what's happening over at the 15th. This would be a great up and down. Wow. Really had that shot dialed in. Oh, that's incredible. He sold it.
And a chip in, Luke, just what the doctor ordered.
Looks like a similar approach to yesterday.
Unfortunately, it is the same as yesterday. Hopefully, they've put the results yesterday away.
Yeah, nicely played.
Birdie at the last. This for another.
Okay, steady now. Oh, I don't mind this par putt. Nice stroke. Oh, that's too bad. You'll have to settle for bogey there. And that's their first bogey of the event.
Just one bogey, that's okay, but you don't want this to be becoming a habit.
Currently 11 under par for the event. And I don't know if the rest of the field is up for catching them here today in this final round of action. And after a bogey at the last, they're looking for a big drive on this hole. That one's heading down Broadway.
Luke, that did not end up where you said it was going to. It's in the rough.
That'll flick a few of the leaves going through there. And John, what's this one looking like?
They're in the deep stuff, and they are deep into it as well. So you're going to have to be careful getting out of this one.
Oh, well done. Oh, this will be good for the momentum. Let's make this birdie putt. Tracking. Just didn't drop. And that should secure the par. Well done. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. And now that finds him in first place. And I don't give the rest of the field much hope today. Our leader is way out in front in this final round. Teeing off here on the 12th hole. Now this one looks to be heading down the runway. Let's have a look at Patrick Cantlay. And here we are with the third shot. Didn't that look good for a long time? That's a wonderfully played chip shot there.
Yes, very smooth tempo there on that chip.
Playing this shot from about 170 yards out. Opting for the 6-iron. Yeah, that one's looking good. Getting ready to play their third. Oh, that's the hands of a surgeon. Lovely touch.
You better believe it is great stuff to watch.
And this is quality play, still on top of the leaderboard. And I don't know if the rest of the field is up for catching them here today in this final round of action. Two great shots are required here because this hole is a long par 4. Nicely done. And our intrepid on-course reporter, John, standing by.
Well, guys, over on the 18th hole now. This is Gary Woodland's next shot.
Whew. Nice little sand shot there. Came real close. Let's return to live play now. From around 180 yards out. Opting for the 5-iron. That's a shame. Just leaking left, that one. That's not what they were looking for.
One of the rare misses for this player today, Luke. They've been hitting a lot of greens today.
Certainly makes putting easy if you can chip it that close.
Judging it beautifully.
And down it goes. Now at 11 under for the event. And I don't give the rest of the field much hope today. Our leader is way out in front in this final round. It's time to tee off here at the 14th hole. Attaboy, good shot. Playing this shot from about 180 yards. Going with the 5-iron here. You like that, didn't you? Oh, 13-footer coming up here. And with that, you can go and put a par on the card. So after that hole, this is the current standings on the course. And there's no movement on the leaderboard after that hole. And I don't know if the rest of the field is up for catching them here today in this final round of action. Welcome to this par 5 hole. Second shot here on the 15th. And here we are with the third shot. Oh, that one just missed the hole. Lovely effort, that. Oh, good look at a birdie here. And racking up their 5th birdie of the day.
And a nice feeling it must be to have that sizable of a lead coming down the stretch.
Let's have a look at Patrick Cantlay. This one's for bogey.
This one looking really good.
Ooh. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. I'm pretty sure this player will be buoyed by that birdie back at the last. Let's see if they can deliver another one. This one needs to kick left. Good shot there.
Slim chance here for birdie, but you never know.
Let's have a look at Billy Horschel from earlier. Here's a great shot from our player currently in second.
Yes, it's in.
Okay, let's get back to the action. Well, this is one of those lengthy putts. John, how do you see it?
It's got to be over 40 feet, maybe 41 feet to the cup from here.
Oh, just missed. And they'll walk away with a par on this one. And with that hole behind us, let's have a look at the contenders and the pretenders. And maintaining top spot on the leaderboard after that.
2 holes to go, Luke. Can they hang on? Let's find out.
This hole is a par 4, and it's a pretty lengthy one at that.
What kind of rhythm is that? It must be tough falling out of bed every day with a rhythm like that.
Well, there's a very good reason why he's leading this tournament, and that's Exhibit A. That was a thing of beauty. You got all of that one. Well, Rich, this looks like a familiar spot for this player.
They had a good result yesterday. Can't see why they wouldn't have another good one today.
Well, good looking shot here. That's headed towards the green. Well, you can see why he's leading. That was a shot of high caliber. This putt coming up is for birdie. And he just keeps putting a gap on the rest of the field. What a putt to hole. Currently in first position. And I don't give the rest of the field much hope today. Our leader is way out in front in this final round. Well, this is when the adrenaline really starts to kick in. Leading the tournament with the final hole to play. Good luck.
Nicely done.
Second shot here at the 18th. Getting ready to play their third. Oh, what a shot by our leader. And this is why they put in hours and hours of practice. A putt to win it all.
Good stuff today, especially the short game has been really sharp today.
And what a way to win it. Lovely putt.
Backing up the Brinks truck once again this week, filling it up.
Oh, that's worth a replay. Let's take another look. Well, that'll just about do it. On behalf of Rich Beam, I'm Luke Elvey. Thanks for tuning in. Look forward to your company next time.